What's going on YouTube? Brett Seeley here. Today we are in San Diego. We are at Ignite Studios, hosted by my buddy Jeff, who's the coolest dude I know. That's Jeff. Today I'm with my homie
Renee,
and we're going to do the behind the scenes of a photo shoot. But first, here's a message for everybody, really.
Yeah.
Your camera can do a lot of cool things. Your camera can also do a lot of bad things. A lot of times we think that we're just creating pretty pictures, but the experience that the model has, if it's a positive one, you can help uplift them. You can help them make them feel better. If you do photography for the wrong reasons, you can cause some severe damage. For those of you who are, into creating damage, you're just douchebags, and so this video is not for you. But this is kind of geared towards a lot of models. If you want to go into a photo shoot, you should. This should be fun. But a lot of times models are not really prepared. She deals with a lot of, I'll let her describe what she does because I don't know how to pronounce these words. But she has a few tips for models and for photographers too, to help you get ready for your photo shoots so you can maximize the experience.
absolutely.
It's kind of a serious topic, yeah?
It is a serious topic.
Bear with us for like 2 minutes and then we'll show you the behind the scenes and then we'll take some pretty pictures.
All right,
Yeah?
awesome.
All right.
I'm a marriage family therapist. I'm also a fitness trainer and a mom. What I've realized just as a therapist and what I want to tell you guys today, just 3 things really to take away to make sure that you're getting the most out of your photography experience is just thinking about what your goal is when you're going into a photo shoot. What is my goal? Is my goal to feel empowered? Is my goal to become a model? Sort of need to think about it a little bit before to make sure that we're meeting our needs the best as the model. I think that it's just thinking about that for yourself before and setting those boundaries. So if I know what my goal is, I'll be able to have a better experience and say to my photographer, my goal is to, be a fitness model or show some sexy stuff with it, to be strong, right? Like I want to convey that you can be sexual and strong at the same time. And I think asking your photographer, what's your goal? Like, what were you going to use these photos? What's your plan, right? Figuring that out and then making sure you're comfortable with that, moving slowly. Be safe out there, ladies, going to your photo shoots, and don't be afraid to set boundaries and speak up for yourself because it's your body and it's really your life. Thank you guys, and I'm excited to be here today doing this shoot, so look forward to maybe seeing you guys soon.
Stuff we don't talk about every day, stuff that you probably won't see a lot of places because it's the uncomfortable side. You know what I mean? Hopefully you use your camera for good things, and if you don't, again, douchebags.
If you find yourself being a douchebag and exploiting women, don't shame yourself either.
I just shamed them though.
I know, but we shouldn't shame other people.
So are you trying to tell me that I did the wrong thing?
I think so.
I apologize, douchebags.
Because douchebags are lovable too, right?
Are they though?
They are, because they're humans and we're all lovable.
All right, you lovable douchebags.
But I'd say explore why am I wanting to exploit women? What is this feeding?
Well, they're feeding their douchebaggery.
Maybe there's a fear in there and there was something that happened. Maybe this is the way that they release something, right?
Are you trying to guilt me? You're guilting me for having an opinion about douchebags. I apologize.
Am I shaming you?
I'm being shamed the way that I tried to shame them. I get it. I understand. Okay. You're no longer douchebags.
All I'm saying is let's try to think about how they feel.
You're making me feel really bad.
Empathy is the biggest loving tool.
All right, douchebags, empathize with me here because I was wrong. But
For real though.
for real,
It's not cool to exploit women.
it's not cool. And it's not cool for me to talk bad about y'all. I still think badly about y'all. But we're going to bypass that real quick. We're going to get to the shooting. Hopefully, the main thing you get from this video is just be a good person.
100.
One hundo. You ready?
Absolutely.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
All right, y'all. This is my twin brother, Jeff.
What's up?
And he's going to show you the behind the scenes of one of his amazing ideas and concepts. What's the concept?
All right, so today we have this fantastic model. What I want to do here is I'm going to be backlighting her with some strip lights. And so that's going to create this silhouette effect. And when we rake the light across her back and across her abs, which you'll see what those abs look like, she's got like a 12-pack. Not like this guy, but like a real 12-pack. It creates these highlights and shadows, and really amplifies the contrast in the muscles. It makes the back look super ripped. So we're gonna set these up from behind, and then we're gonna angle her in a position. We're gonna be using the modeling lights in the dark to make sure that those strobes and the modifiers are angled just right. And then we're gonna take our picture. And I might throw in a little bit of fog just for effect. Maybe.
It's gonna be fun. Hey, if I stick my hernia out, we can
Oh dang! See, I told you I win.
see it's
Yeah,
all.
this is where angling and lighting is important. So that's the before, and I'll show you the after.
Woo!
Leave me alone.